Hello viewers, welcome back to new video. In this video, I'll show how to solve when try to edit or create image on Gemini. Show this problem. Sorry, I am not able to edit this image for you problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on app management, click on app list, search or find out Gemini app, click on Gemini, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Now go to Play Store or open on Play Store. Click on search bar and search Gemini app. Update Gemini app. Hopefully problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.